Right, guys?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Right, Sabir and Rupali?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So I make the present option. Just share your screen. Right now, I'm giving another task tree. Like what? Just observe and explain. Just share your screen.
Mm-hmm.
Just open it. So earlier we just handled with the Gmail, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So today I just want to handle, for example, here, for example, first of all, I just want the browser. Okay. So as you said that the Google Chrome, I just want to locate. After that, I just want to open the Yahoo Mail.com. Okay. After that, I just want to open the Yahoo Mail.com. Ymail. Okay. Ymail.com. So observe if I entered ymail.com. Here, I just want to go ahead with the checkboxes. I just want to checkboxes. So if it is here, the checkbox is present, I'm going to test. Okay. If it is already checked, I just want to display message that checkbox is already checked. If it is not checked like this, we need to check this checkbox. That is our task, right? So how you are doing? First of all, Ashim, right? First of all, you
Mm-hmm.
need to get the browser details. After that, you need to open the driver dot your get URL of this one, ymail.com. After that, you have to find out this element, right or no? You are trying to find out this checkbox. Okay. So after that, you are writing some if conditions, right or no? First of all, in a this one, at least just open a browser and try to find out get URL of Yahoo Mail. After that, just try to find out this checkbox and write it over there. Then I will explain you remaining things. Okay, do you got it? What I'm saying? Ashim, did you got it? What I'm saying?
Uh,
Right now we
no,
are
sorry.
handling checkpoints. Okay,
Uh-huh. Okay.
sorry, handling checkboxes. Okay, so here my condition is first of all, I just want to invoke any browser. After that, I just want to get the URL of yahoomail.com. www.yahoo.com. Next, here I'm trying to identify this element, checkbox element, like what? Right click, inspect element with file.
Fireball.
So observe. Okay. So what is the information is there? ID is there, right?
Mm-hmm.
ID is there, right? So you can able to try to find out with the ID with the check boxes. Okay. After that, after finishing, let me know. So I'm putting some condition, right? Like I'm going to handle the check boxes like what? So if it is checkbox is already present, already exist, okay, then what I'm saying, checkbox is already checked. I want to display message like already checked. If not checked, checkbox is not already checked, then I need to check the checkbox. That is my task. Okay.
Okay.
You got the point? Ankita, are you there? I just give you an option reply. So Ankita, you got the concept of what I'm saying is here. My task is I just want to handle the checkboxes. So for that, I just want to invoke the browser. After that, I just want to get the URL of ymail.com. Next, here I'm trying to enter the checkboxes. So here I'm giving a condition like if it is already checked, then display message like checkbox is already checked. If not means we need to check this checkbox. Yeah, go ahead and ask him and do it. And remaining people, just try to help them. Do you understand the task, right? Rupali, right?
Yes.
Gaurav, sir. Okay, just help them, help to Ashim. They'll prepare it. Go ahead, go to the Eclipse and create a class in a web driver. Just create a class with the name of checkbox.
What was the name again?
Tick box
Checkbox. Okay.
with a public static void main auto created. You need to click on public static
I'm
void.
sorry.
Public static. You don't
Now
provide
it's a
the
second.
here, you just provide the space. Space is not valid.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So go ahead here first with the browser. That Google Chrome related browser details already we just provided in the Gmail, right? Just copy paste it, no issue. Okay. And then Rupali,
Okay.
and Sabine, just try to help them. Okay. What I meant. After that, I will do it. Okay.
Okay. All right. Okay, guys. Gmail, right?
Yahoo.
Yahoo Mail.
Okay. So I just have to copy the link.
Yahoo. First of all, you need to remove the browser.
First of all,
Suresh, I got to step out for like a couple of minutes. I'll be right back, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
okay, Sirisa. So you said first to go and to open the browser, right?
Exactly. So means observe that automatically I just give a so observe 1 second. So if you go to the Gmail, just open
Yahoo.
Eclipse. So if you go to the Gmail, okay, to invoke browser, that related information is there only. Like
Oh,
uh, Firefox browser, is it executed on that time? No, right?
no.
So we are invoking like Google Chrome. There is a Google Chrome related data. So first of all, just try to execute this one. After that, we will check it out.
I mean, just like, okay.
Here in your system, Firefox is not working. It's already set. Just execute. Execute it. Run as.
Yeah, I think there's some problem with the Firefox.
Yes. So I already installed driver file, right or not? So
Mm-hmm.
here we have the driver. So how the work will be processed? Please observe. Okay. So observe what is the syntax is system. One second. Yeah. So observe here. System dot set property. Your screen is not moving. Phone. I'm typing, yeah, system dot the syntax for that. Okay. Set property. Okay. So it is asking us string wait. So string key means observe. Within that one WebDriver dot Chrome file we need to execute, right? Chrome dot right. So after that, value means the path of the say IDE file is there, right? You have to copy that. Where is Selenium driver file, Chrome driver file is saved? Just open the path like in a Selenium folder softwares we just save, right or not? Just open the space, just open that path. Ashik.
Uh-huh. You mean like the
Just open,
Selenium?
yeah. In a Selenium folder in the softwares, we just saved Chrome driver file, right? Earlier we are
Uh-huh.
already downloaded that one, right? Just open that one.
Mm-hmm.
Just open that path. I'm going to copy the path.
The Chrome driver. Is this the one you're talking about?
Yes, exactly. So here we need to provide the path. This is the path only, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So I'm copying this one. It was just pasted out there. Just cross check. Everything is small only, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is a WinZip. You didn't unzip this one, nah? I told you you have to unzip this one, but you are not having any license to unzip, right? Earlier
Uh-huh.
last session, I told you get the license meanwhile, but you didn't know it. I think.
Yeah, sorry about that. Like, do I need to buy this software? Do I need to buy?
You don't need to buy anything here. Actually, free trial version is there. You have to just get that. So once again, I'm sending the Chrome driver .execute file. You can download and paste it out. Okay, I'm just uploading. So everybody, can I upload for you also? Chrome driver executable file, or do you want to download from the net? Saveen, Josman, everybody.
Whatever is easier.
Anything is okay for you. It's also downloading also easy and right, I'm sending it to you. Okay, no issue.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, it's asking the error. It's giving an error.
Are you facing some problem with the network, Sirisa?
Not a network. Actually, that file is maybe huge file or something else. It's not
Because
uploading.
I'm not being able to hear you properly, so
No,
just
I'm saying
trying
that
to.
I can't. The Chrome drive is there. I can't upload. It says some error. I'm trying to upload with the Google Drive. Let me check. Yeah, it was uploaded. I just sent it to you. Ashim, just check it out your email ID and download Chrome driver file.
Oh, sorry.
Everybody, please download and saving in your Selenium file is the softwares. On that place, just save all those things. After finishing downloading, just copy and paste in the software folder. Okay? Yeah, just paste it all there. Yeah. And just like this. Yeah, just paste it here. Good. So yeah, leaving controls. Here you need to copy this one, right? Just go to the. So here you have to paste everything, right? Okay. So as observe here, as per the syntax, column, as per the syntax, you need to end it with the double slashes. Here, double slashes are. Okay, you need to provide the double ones. Okay. This is the thing.
I think uh,
What happened? Yeah,
it's
yeah,
over
yeah.
here,
I got it. I got it.
over there. Yep.
Okay, right. No errors, right? So next, we need to invoke
So,
the Chrome driver file. So
mhm.
how same thing like earlier Firefox driver how we are getting same thing like driver dot Chrome driver. The driver is the reference of equals to move of Chrome driver. Okay. Here it is asking me to import it, right? So like that we can able to execute. Is it clear? So right now I'm trying to execute this one. Let's check it. Is it working fine or not? Run as Java application. Is it clear, guys? How to address the syntax is same. Okay, just
Still.
path only differentiate. Only local connections. Observe. Browser is open, right or no? Just
Mm-hmm.
open. Next, enter username and click on next button. Observe. So here, actually, what happened here? It is when we navigating, right? When we navigating, it doesn't identify. So we are giving a wait statement. Okay, why? Because driver is automatically fastly executing. Takes some time. So on the time, password is trying to find out password, but it is not identified. So that what we are doing is we are giving some wait statement like how observe. How we are giving statement means observe. The driver dot driver dot manage dot manage dot timeouts dot implicit wait. Okay, so implicit wait. How many seconds? Observe, I'm giving a 30 seconds. So whether it is seconds or minutes, how can you able to seconds, minutes or milliseconds? How can we specify means? Observe, time unit equals to dot seconds. Here it is displayed, right? Right. So observe automatically means it is we are asking to wait for 30 seconds. Okay, for each every time it is navigating, it's wait for 30 seconds time. So right now I'm giving a save it and execute this. Observe. Password is also entered and just click on sign in, but we are entering the wrong password. So it displaying wrong password, try again. Right? Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
Everything is executed
Yeah.
perfectly. Right? So same thing. So next what is our task? First of all we need to invoke the browser. So we'll just copy this and paste it over there, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So next, as per we discussed, so what is the next one? We need to invoke the URL. What is the URL we are handling with Yahoo Mail, right or not? So observe driver dot get URL. Okay. So what it is saying? We need to write as http colon double slash ymail dot com. Okay. So observe, we just invoke the mail. After that, we are trying to find out checkbox. Okay. So in the browser, I already opened it. So I'm trying to find out this, right? Right click, inspect element with Firebug option. Okay. So the next, we need to identify that particular element, right? So that element reference I just saved in the here. I'm trying to identify. real one. I just want to identify that particular checkbox only. Good ID is there, right? So I'm trying to identify this one. So I'm going to cross check by using ID. Okay? So that we can able to understand like whether it is identifying or not. So how means ID equals to paste. You have any doubt, just cross check it, no issue. Just click on find. Which one is identifying just which one is identifying?
It's identifying the background.
Let me do one thing. Because I am opening Yahoo.com. Okay, here I am trying to inspect element with fiber. So next we can go ahead with this. Okay, so observe.
Is it still identifying the background?
What?
Is it still identifying the background?
No. Where? When I click on find out, it's not identify the background.
Mm-hmm.
But we don't know exactly what it is identifying. Okay, we just check this one. After that, we can analyze. Okay.
Okay.
So obsession.
Actually,
Go to
we're
the
trying to identify the checkbox, right?
checkboxes.
Mm-hmm.
But that's what it's didn't we? I'm not sure that is 1 second. Do you find any checkboxes anywhere so that we can work it out on that one?
Any checkbox anywhere? Uh,
Any web application.
does Gmail has a checkbox?
Gmail earlier Gmail has a checkbox, but not now.
Okay,
Double
sorry about
Hotmail.
that.
Yeah. Rapali is saying something like regarding Hotmail. Just try to open.
Okay.
Yeah, keep me signed in.
Yeah. So
Oh,
exactly,
I'm
right?
sorry.
Okay. So here I'm trying to identify,
Excuse me.
right? Oh, you are open through Chrome,
Oh,
na?
Chrome. Sorry about that.
Okay. No need. You need to open through Firefox. Go ahead and
Firefox. So this one's Firefox. Okay.
exactly. Just open it in a Firefox. Okay. So just first of all, I'm just trying to open the. I'm trying to find out the checkbox. Okay. Inspect element with Firebug. Okay. So here ID equals to something is there, right? So
Uh-huh.
I'm trying to copy this one. Okay. So observe. Go to the uh, here. So here, what is the URL here? It is www.hotmail.com, right?
Mm-hmm.
Right, is this right? Next, I'm trying to identify. So that web element, I'm just saving it in a web element. So element. So observe, element is a reference object, web element is a class which is used to save the. Yeah, go ahead, Anki. Do you understand? I think what is the concept is going on, right? Web element is a reference object which is used to save the reference. Yeah, I will do it, Anki. Okay, which is used to save the reference of the particular element. So here I just want to save the checkbox reference, right? Driver dot find element by what? ID, right? Right? ID. So ID dot string ID, right? So what is the ID? With a double quotes, we need to paste in the ID.
Mm-hmm.
After that, okay. So this one we are saving it in a element. The checkbox is reference I just saved in a element. So right now I'm checking the condition. First of all, I'm checking it for whether it is identifying or not. Right? If it is identifying, okay, first of all, the checkbox is already checked or not, we are going to test. If it is already checked, if it is not checked, we need to check the checkbox. If in case if it is already checked, we need to display message like checkbox is on. Okay, so for that I am putting a if condition. Do you understand, guys? I am putting
Mm-hmm.
a if condition. So if element is a reference object, so that checkboxes we can handle with the element reference object. So okay, elements equals to is selected. Element dot is selected. We have to give it out there. Okay. If it is selected or not, we are going to check it out, right? Element dot is selected. If it is already checked selected, okay. If it is already selected, what we are displaying? System dot out dot println checkbox is already selected. Okay. If not means else part is going to execute it, right? So on the time what you want to do it? System dot out dot println checkbox is not selected. not selected. We have to select right now. Like how we are going to select it? Observe element dot click. This is the option to select the checkbox. Simple one, right? So right now I'm trying to execute this. So just check it out what happened. Right. We observe it's checked, right? And here just observe message checkbox is not selected. So we are selected, right or not? Right? Right or not? So like that work will be processed. That is our, do you understand the guys? So on that time checkbox is not selected. So the display checkbox is not selected, it is checked automatically, right? We are giving the option, right? Element dot click means it is checked. Right
Oh,
on.
it was not checked at first, so after that it automatically checked in.
Checked.
So is that
Yes, here.
okay?
Here
So
it is.
first,
Automatically. But earlier when we open the Hotmail, it is not checked, right or not? If it is already checked, then display a message like here, this one checkbox is already checked, already selected. Okay. So this is not selected. So then display checkbox is not selected. We are going to check it out. Okay. To understand?
Yeah.
So next, observe. We can give another statement like driver dot close. Driver dot close means after finishing execution, it is automatically close the browser. Okay. So for example, okay. So right now I'm trying to execute. Just observe. Observe what happened. So it is displaying automatically and it is closed, right? Driver is automatically closed after finishing. So like that work will be processed. Okay, is it clear?
yeah.
So, and of course, if you want to maximize your window, another script line is there, that is driver dot maximize. Okay, driver dot maximize the window. So if you want to maximize it, you can able to use that one. So like that work will be processed. Is it clear or not? And
Actually,
tomorrow, yeah, tell me.
actually, actually, I didn't got the else part. You know, first when we checked that, it was first when we looked at that Hotmail, right? It was the box was already checked in, right? But the
No,
message over
earlier
the
the box is one second, one second. Earlier the box is not already checked. So
okay.
observe anywhere if you want to open the yahoomail.com,
Mm-hmm.
hotmail.com, one second, just check it out. So observe, it is open like this. Okay, if it is open here, it is trying to identify the checkbox.
Mm-hmm.
So here it is identified whether it is already checked or not. If it is already selected, okay, then display a message like in the checkbox is already selected. So if it is not selected, automatically else part is executing. If this condition is passed, this condition is executing. Statement means that only, right? If
Mm-hmm.
this condition, if condition is failed, then else part is executed, right?
Mm-hmm.
So checkbox is not selected. Here in this situation, checkbox is not selected, right? So else part is executing. So in display message, checkbox is not selected, and they are checking the checkbox. Observe when we are here, comments means it is not executed this line. Okay, Means what happened here? Only this checkbox is not selected, like that message only display.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here we just want to click it, right or not? We just want to check the checkbox. That's why I just given the option to check it, right? After that, it's just checked like this, and after that it is going to close. Okay, like that work will be processed. Clear, guys? Everybody?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So like that work will be processed. And next we will discuss about the different ones. Like tomorrow we are going to handle with the uh, tomorrow we are going to handle with the alert messages. Okay, so how to alert, how the work will be process, everything I will be going to explain you clearly. So alert message means, just observe, I will explain you. So for example, if you go to the one website, here I just want to click on check fair. Okay, so here I just want to give some destination, click on search button. Some alert is coming up, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Like to select destination, some alert is coming. So I just want to switch to from main page to the alert page. I want to switch it, and also I just want to capture the information on the alert, and I just want to accept the alert. So how the work will be process, I will explain you after finishing this one. Okay, simultaneously we are going ahead with the drop down. How the work will be processed? How the drop down we are going to handle the drop down things. Okay, so got it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So like that work will be processed. Tomorrow is the that concept we are going to discuss. Okay. So yeah. Okay then. Thank you so much.